All right, this is Tuesday, May maybe 14th. We got some sun and blue skies, 78 degrees. This is awesome for May. All right, here we go. So we got this rake from an estate sale. What I did is I put a piece of plywood, and the intent is to be able to rake the sawdust off of here. So let's set this up and give it a try. Alright, so that was a lot better than just the rake without the board, but I think, I didn't realize the sawdust gets that deep. I think this is like 2 inches. I gotta go like at least 3 inches. We'll try like a 3-inch piece. Okay, all that, I have to take this off, is going on here, and then we're going to take it out on a trail for where the armoring we just did, use that, so I gotta get that done. Alright, we're going to put the sawdust from the sawmill here, spread it around. You can see this section we had already put some that we took from the sawmill, so let's get that done. Okay, we put it all there and we spread it around. And we'll let it get rained on tonight, and I think it's gonna kind of like lock all the wood chips in place for now till we get some topsoil on top of it. Look here, it's developed some problems today. So this is what it came with, an emergency stop. So to stop the engine, the only way to stop the engine was to push the emergency stop and then release it to start again. But then do that enough times and it breaks the switch. I had to replace it. It was less than a year. So what I did is I wired in a toggle switch, but now the toggle switch is broken. So it broke in the on position. So it runs, so then to turn it off I have to press this. But that's what we gotta do today, is replace that switch. I bought another one at CarQuest, so let's do that. Okay, so here's the existing one. They are screw terminals, and I bought this one. So we're going to screw those in there and then see if it works. Okay, here's the old one. And we attached a new one. Now we just got to put it in there and tighten it up. Okay, we got it in the up position. Let's give her a pull and see if she starts up. that is in the off position, so I gotta flip it upside down. It came with the name tag upside. I guess we want to ground out, so it's on. I'm not quite sure, but anyways, I gotta flip it. Now it is in the up position. Let's see if it starts. Positions off, thumbs up, we fixed that one. Alright, so here's another modification I made. This sawmill came with one valve, so you turned it on, turned it off, and you set the flow rate, which is always a pain in the ass. So what I did is I did on off and a flow rate, so this adjusts the flow rate, and once you have it where you want it, you leave it, and then every time you turn it on, watch. Now it's on. Flow rate is flow rate from time to time, doesn't need to change, and then this turns it off. Well, this valve is getting very hard to turn, so we're going to replace this one and this one. Alright, new valve. We open this one, so this is closed. This will be open, and then we have to set the bottom one for. Alright, so let's turn this one full open. And we can see that's peeing out pretty much, so let's throttle it back. So we'll start with something like that. And that's where that one's set. And this one, you just turn it off, and voila. No water. We turn the top one on. Voila, it starts dripping. We don't have to reset the flow rate. Alright. And we replaced that. Replaced those. It's getting a little bit dark. It's also getting dinner time, so I think we're going to close up and go have dinner.